Let's make easy chicken fried rice. To some diced chicken thigh or breast, add black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce. Grate in 1 clove of garlic. Mix well and set aside for 15 to 30 minutes to marinate. Fully cook your chicken in a wok. For the fried rice, we will start by adding beaten eggs to a preheated wok. Stir the eggs until scrambled and set aside. Then sweat some onions and when translucent, add mixed veggies. Add shredded cabbage and stir-fry. Add salt to taste. Add your leftover rice, or you can cook your rice the day before and keep in the fridge before use. Add oyster sauce and mix. Add dark soy sauce and mix. After the soy sauce is mixed in well, adjust salt and pepper to your taste. Then add your cooked chicken. The scrambled eggs. Some green onions. And mix well. Ready to serve. Bon appetit! Like and subscribe.